We have lots of lovely lilies that we can grow from bulbs in the gardens. Tree lilies, they'll get to 6 or 8 feet high and have 15 or 20 flowers, all of them very fragrant. But there is a problem. As they start to grow in spring, the lily beetle, a bright scarlet beetle, will come, and these are the perfect symptoms where it's eaten notches out of the leaves. And if you are pretty observant, you'll see these scarlet beetles very easily, and you need to very carefully slip your fingers around the stem and cupped, and then they will often drop into your hand and you can catch them. Don't let them fall to the ground because they're black underneath and they immediately turn upside down and you never see them. It's the scarlet top. I've got a couple here in the jar that really shows them off when they're busy eating on the stem.